Hello everyone, today I want to talk about two popular ways to manage projects, waterfall and agile. Thinking of those roadmaps that guide your team to complete a project, whether it's building a car or creating a new software application. First, let's looking at waterfall model. As its name suggests, this is a process flows downward like a waterfall. It is a very traditional and linear approach. The project is broken down into distinct phases such as conception, analysis, design, construction, testing, and deployment. You must complete one phase before moving to the next one. The method is very structured and everything is planned up for, which makes it easy and manage. Now, let's talking about the Agile model. Agile model is different. It is a more flexible and iterative approach instead of a big project. Agile breaks the work down into smaller, manageable structures. The process works in cycle of iteration. In each cycle, the team plans, designers, deployments, and tests a small part of the project. After each cycle, they deliver a working pieces of product. So in simple terms, waterfall is like following a fixed recipe step by step, while agile is more like working with generate idea and testing and adjusting the ideal goal. Now that we know the basics, let's looking at the key difference between waterfall and agile, and when is asked to user each one. The biggest difference is now how they handle project requirements. With the waterfall model, the requirements must be clear and fixed from the very beginning. This model works best when you know what you want to build and you didn't accept many changes along the way. Management often prefer this method when they need detailed and documented. On the other hand, the Agile model is designed for situations where requirements are uncertain and expected to change. It will customer involvement throughout the entire process, allowing the team to adapt to new ideas or market changes. This makes Agile a good choice for fast moving, where speed and flexibility are important. Let's compare them in a few other areas. Uh, Team structure: waterfall projects often use teams of specialists who work in a separate department. Agile products for cross-functional teams where team members have various skills and work on many different things together. Project deliver: with waterfall, the final project is delivered at once at the end of the project. Agile delivers working software in small pieces after each cycle. Customer involvement: in waterfall, the customer is mainly involved at the beginning for requirements and at the end for delivery. In Agile, the customer is involved throughout the entire project, providing regular feedback. So if your project is protectable and suitable, waterfall is the third choice. If your project is complex, uncertain, and needed to adapt to change quickly. Agile is the way to go. Finally, let's talk how those processes work in action and then walk up. The waterfall process, as shown in diagram, is the structured linear path. It moves from one stage to the next from requirements analysis to design, then implementation, testing, and final maintenance. It's a very structured state. The challenge here is that if you find a mistake from an early phase, it can be difficult to expensive to go back and fix it. The agile process, however, is a topical cycle may include phases like brainstorm, design, development, and quality assurance, leading to development of a small feature. Once the cycle is complete, the team delivers something to the center. They start to the next iteration. The critical flow allows the team to construct, constructively improve the product based on real feedback. It's more better for delivering a big product in bite-sized sessions. To conclude, waterfall and agile are two different approaches to manage projects. Waterfall is all about planning and following a fixed linear process. It involves documentation and structure. Agile is about adaptability and responding to change. It involves working software customer conclusion. There is no best model, only the right model for your project. Choose the right approach is the first important step toward success. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your listening.